Hi guys, in this video I will explain you how to automate one desktop application, that is in this case I am using Zoom. So here I will explain you how to automate the Zoom, and similarly you can automate any other application. So this video will give you some basic idea about how we can automate the desktop applications. So here I am using pywinauto. So you see, here I'm from pywinauto.application, and I'm just importing application. Here I'm just creating an app. So app equal to application. Here you just need to add win32 or UIA. So if UIA is not working, then you can use win32. Here this is actually backend is equal to UIA, and I'm start Zoom. So here we need to add the path, start the application of the application path. So here in this case we are using Zoom, right? So let me open file location. Basically all these files are stored here. So by default location of this Zoom application is here. Let me see here. Yeah, this is a file. You just need to copy as path, go here, and here you just need to add R is a raw string. So you just need to pass the application path here. So I am starting an application, and after that you just need to connect. Okay, otherwise let me just print app whether it is starting or not. Okay, we can see it is opening. Okay, so here you just need to connect to this application. We are, as of now we are just starting, right? So we just need to connect as well. Here in this connect you need to add this title. This is the title, the window title. This is a complete window, and this capital Z and OOM. So this Zoom is the title of this window. Here you just need to add title equals to Zoom. Okay, so here you can add. So we are starting an application, we are connecting to that application. So again after that we need to, here in this case I want to click on sign in. So here I want to click on sign in, right? So app dot, you can use this. This is basically the title of the window. So this is a Zoom, this is the title, and dot, there is one method called print control identifiers. Okay, now let me just run this. Let's see what it will print. Okay, see this is the the background of this application. So you can use, see here I used Zoom, right? The title Zoom. Here you can use Zoom or dialog or Zoom dialog or Zoom 1, something like that. You can use anything, but here I use just this one, Zoom. Okay, app.zoom.print control identifiers is done. So my task is to click on where, click on this sign in, right? So I am just creating one sign in variable. Sign in equals to, here So this app, instead of just making simple app, you can say Zoom app. Okay. Yep. Now Zoom app dot, this is the application, and again we need to give what title, right? Title is what? Zoom. This is a window title actually. Zoom app dot title, capital Zoom, capital Z, Zoom. uh, now we need to click on sign in, right? So here we have this control identifiers. We can go here and just check where is sign in. So instead of this one, you can say, you can just copy everything here and you can paste it here in notepad file, so that it will be very easy for us to identify this, the identifiers. Here I want to click on sign in, right? So let me, I'm not able to find that sign in. See, we need to check. This is the child window, minimize, child window, maximize, and this is button, close button. If you want to close, you can use this child, this one. So here we are, this is a giant meeting. Yeah, this one, this giant meeting, right? If you want to click here, you can use this till here, you can use this one. And this is sign up, we have, this is sign in, right? I'm just copying this one, copy. So here we need to click right sign in. So go to VS Code, copy and paste, just add wrapper object. So even if you don't use this wrapper object, still the code works, but for safer side it's better to add. Okay, so I'm just creating this sign in. So here if you want to click on that sign in option, you just need to use sign in dot. There are two methods actually. You can use click, but sometimes this won't work, so you can check later on. But now I am using click input. Click input is also a another method. So let me just, I'm importing time, right? So you can, let's just add same time dot sleep, sorry, time dot sleep for 1 second. So here in this code, what it will do, it will just start this application zoom.exe, and it will connect to the title, the Zoom window, connect to that application, and then it will click on this sign in. Okay, let's see, let me just run. Yes, it clicked. After clicking, it has started. So if you want to see again, and I will run it, just observe. See, something went wrong actually. I just want to see. Sometimes, because of some, timing issues, it will not identify this. So let me just run again. Otherwise I will add here time dot sleep. Let's add 1 second. Alright, let me run. Still we are facing some issue. Yeah, zoom app dot capital Zoom, child window, sign in, control type button. Basically yeah, I think we should also add some time dot sleep equals to 1 here. Alright, I hope this time it should work. Yeah, see, it clicked actually. So here, okay, so this is just ignore. So it clicked, right? So now after clicking, what we need to type here, we need to click on this this text box. Here you need to type that email. So here, so I am just printing this control identifiers again, so that we can get this identifier for this one, this text box. Here I am just adding zoom app. Actually this is zoom app, right? So zoom app. So let me add some 2 seconds for safer side. So now I am printing control identifiers. From this control identifiers I will get this identifier for this this one, for this one. So then we can type something here, the email and the password here. Then we will click here the sign in. Then after it will open some other window. Then we will we will handle that part. Right now I'm just closing here, and yeah, let me just run it. So basically what it is doing actually is sometimes it's giving some issue because of some timings, I guess. Yeah, actually see, here you can also add some timeout. Some timeout equals to, I'm just adding some 30 seconds. Okay, because of this timing issue sometimes, so we have this argument, so we can use this argument as well. So I hope this time it will not throw any error. Oh my god. Timeout unmatched. Let me see the syntax here. Yeah, timeout equal to 30. See why it is going. See, now it's working. Now it's working, right? See, this is what we want actually. So we need this one to interact with other tabs, like that this one, to interact with this window. We need this this controller interface. So I'm just copy pasting here in my notepad. So here, see, I want to click here on enter your email here in this text, right? So I'm just going here, control F, enter your, oh, what happened? See, enter your email. Okay, so this is our identifier actually. I'm just copying, and till here it's okay, it's clear, right? Now after sign in, I'm just clicking email box, you can say email box equals to zoom app. So this is our application, zoom app dot capital Z or zoom dot, this is our window name. And here what we need to do, we just need to paste whatever we copied. So, and here we need to add dot wrapper object. Now, so we have got this email box. Now I am just clicking on that email box, dot click click, sorry, click input, okay, we clicked on that input. Now email box dot type keys, I'm just adding my email. Okay, I'm just adding this email. Then what? After entering, this is for email, and we need to type also password, right? So here the same way I'm copying the password as well. The control identifier for password, control C, I copied, enter your password. So here in this code, I'm just creating one more variable with password pwd box, means password box, you can say. And zoom app dot zoom is my title dot, I just copied this, and wrapper object. Alright, so now my password box is ready. Password box dot, here we need to click input, and then what? Password box dot type keys. Okay, here I have already added my password in some other file, so I am just importing here. So this is my password. So here you can just we can just add my password. Okay, so password is also entering here, and then after we need to click on this sign in, right? So I'm just again creating sign in, sign in equals to zoom app dot zoom dot. Now we need to go to this notepad file, and then we need to check the identifier, the sign in, right? This one, the button, sign in, right? Control C, copied, pasted, dot wrapper object. Alright, sign in dot. Now we need to click input. I'm just typing my email and password and clicking. So after clicking, let me just add time dot sleep for some just 3 seconds for safer side. Okay, so I'm just closing this one. I'm just running from the start. Alright, it opened successfully, and it it typed password, and it typed and it signed in, and it clicked on sign in. Okay, so again it opened a separate window, some like one time passcode, something like that. So here we can also handle this one. So I will tell you in future, I mean in the coming 5 to 10 minutes. So before that, I will run again. I want to show you some issue here. I just started the code again. Yeah, so this time I think it's not showing any issue, but sometimes what happens, sometimes this see, after clicking here, sometimes what happens here, the text will be sometimes automatically by default there will be some text available. So before typing our email ID, we just need to clear, and then we need to type, right? So otherwise it will give you sometimes error. So in that case, before typing, we need to clear the text, whatever is inside this text box. So we need to handle that part also. So here I am just clicking on sign. So here before typing our, let me just drag this down. Okay, so before typing we just need to clear the text box. So that can be done. Mailbox dot type keys. If you want to clear, we just need to yeah, see here you just need to add control means this cap symbol, control A means control A, I am selecting the text whatever is inside, control A and then backspace, alright, then we are typing. Similarly for safer side we are adding same type of syntax here before typing the password as well. So here this is password box, right? Okay, and I'm clearing and typing, and then I'm clicking here, right? So as of now there is no issue. Let me just run, opened, then it typed our email and password, then it clicked on sign in button. Alright, so this time now we need to handle this one. So the OTP will be shared with your email address. So for time being I'm just randomly typing some OTP and just verifying. So till here only I am going to explain you. So in further videos we will cover more these type of projects. In that case you just need to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so here what we need to do, we need to click here first box, right here. So I think this time our control identifiers have changed, I guess. Okay, I am just copying again and copying and pasting all these are new control identifiers. I am copy pasting. Okay, then see this is one time passcode, right? This one time passcode. So we need to handle this one. We need to click on here and type something and just verify. Let's see how we can do. Okay, so here let me just select our identifier. Where is our identifier? This is one time password. We can see this is digit 5, this is digit 4, child window, digit 4 blank. Let me just closely observe. Get digit, otherwise I will type here. Oh, this time. Okay, no issues. We will search sign in Apple, sign in Google, back to previous, pay and one time passcode. Digit 3 we got digit 3. It looks not good. It's better to find from here. See, digit 5, digit 4, digit 2. See, this is the actual digit 1 part. Okay, I'll just okay. So now I'm creating one variable with digit 1. Digit 1 is equal to zoom app dot zoom dot. So first box, wrapper object. Now digit 1 dot click input. I'm clicking. Alright, then after clicking we need to type something, right? So I'm just randomly typing some dot type, right? Type keys, sorry, type keys. You need to type here some random 9 by 8. After typing, I'm just keeping some time dot sleep close to some 0.5 seconds. Okay, and let me go with second one. The second box is yeah, this is fourth, right? Basically, now all the boxes are the same. This is digit 1. I am just creating again digit 2 equals to same zoom app dot pasting paste, then wrapper object. Okay, digit 2 again the same way, same. We need to change this digit to digit 2. This time I'm just typing some random 9. Okay. Clicking input, typing something. Similarly we will do this for till 6. Copied. Okay, first one, this is second and third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Okay, it's typing, and this time here we need to 6 digits are completed, and this is to verify, right? We need to click on verify. Yes, this verify also we need to find from here only. What happened? Yeah. Let's see, where is verify here? I think it's not copied properly, I guess. Alright, so I have already copied this in my old file. See, this is the verify button. Okay. So I'm just copying this, is I'm pasting here verify button. This is you can find this identifier from that the same controller identifiers. Here I'm just clicking here. Okay, so let me just test it, and if it works then that's all. Let's see if it is working or not. Let me check. Sorry, before that we need to first close this zoom application, and yeah, I close. Okay, so I started this part. Now it will click on sign in, and it will type password and click on sign in, and then it will wait for some time, and then it will type some see, it is typing OTP and it is verified. So it's actually this OTP is not correct, so it's giving some error. So if you type some the actual OTP, then it will work. So this is just the overview for the automation of desktop applications. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe for more such useful content. Thank you.